Railways are one of the world's most energy-efficient means of transport. Increasing concern for the environment, rapid urbanization, volatile fuel prices, and the need to move more people and freight faster make rail a key infrastructure sector for any country. Take Bulgaria. The Bulgarian State Railway is one of the oldest in Europe. They connect more than 4,200 kilometers of the country, providing passenger and freight services. This makes it a major power user. The National Railway Infrastructure Company is responsible for the smooth operation and maintenance of the country's railway infrastructure and electrical power. In broad terms, the company's electrical railway traction system comprises of large and varying loads. This demands large amounts of dynamic reactive power, which leads to low power factor and voltage fluctuations, that is, poor power quality. This is harmful to the traction system itself, potentially spreading through the electrical grid and causing disruption to other users, and also incurs financial penalties on offenders. Hitachi Energy designed and supplied a power electronics-based compensation solution for dynamically varying reactive power called PQC StatCon, installed various nodes across the rail network. In simple terms, PQC StatCon is an instantaneous and stepless compensator for improving power factor and reducing voltage variations. When connected to the load, it reduces demand on the electrical network by instantaneously compensating the reactive power. Benefits include an immediate response, accurate and precise compensation without the need for manual intervention, stable voltage, and power factor is compliant to utility factors, and the avoidance of potential penalties. With PQC StatCon and power quality monitoring equipment now installed in 5 substations across Bulgaria, National Railway Infrastructure Company expects to maintain the right power quality across its network and avoid significant financial penalties. The company will also enjoy added benefits like reliability and availability of the supply network, energy efficiency, lower maintenance costs of its equipment. All in all, a Hitachi Energy technical solution designed to benefit not just the rail companies and its users, but also raise the productivity and performance of other consumers linked to the national grid. Another example of how Hitachi Energy is advancing a sustainable energy future for all.